a journey of growth and beauty. Welcome to English Story Hub, where we embark on a journey to explore the wonders of nature through the lens of language learning. Today, join us as we delve into the enchanting world of My Garden, a sanctuary of serenity and splendor. Nestled amidst the bustling cityscape lies my garden, a tranquil oasis teeming with life and beauty. As I step through the wrought iron gate, I am greeted by a symphony of colors, scents, and textures that captivate the senses and soothe the soul. The heart of my garden is adorned with an array of vibrant flowers that dance in the gentle breeze. From the elegant petals of roses to the cheerful blooms of daisies, each flower tells a story of resilience and grace, thriving against all odds in the embrace of nature's nurturing touch. As I meander along winding pathways lined with lush foliage, I am greeted by a chorus of birdsong that fills the air with melodies of joy and wonder. The branches of towering trees sway in rhythm with the whispering winds, casting dappled shadows that playfully dance upon the earth below. In the midst of this verdant paradise, a quaint wooden bench invites me to pause and reflect, offering a sanctuary for quiet contemplation and introspection. Here, amidst the rustling leaves and rustling brooks, I find solace and renewal, as the cares of the world melt away in the embrace of nature's embrace. But my garden is more than just a feast for the senses. It is a living tapestry of growth and renewal, where every season brings forth new wonders to behold. In the spring, delicate buds unfurl into blossoms of breathtaking beauty, while in the summer, verdant foliage flourishes in the warm embrace of the sun. Autumn paints the landscape in hues of gold and crimson as leaves gently cascade to the ground, carpeting the earth in a mosaic of color. And in the winter, a hush descends upon the garden as frost-kissed blooms glisten in the pale light of the moon, a testament to the enduring spirit of life. But beyond its aesthetic splendor, my garden is a sanctuary for wildlife, providing refuge for butterflies, bees, and birds alike. From the humble bumblebee to the majestic monarch butterfly, each visitor contributes to the rich tapestry of biodiversity that thrives within these hallowed grounds. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow upon the landscape, I bid farewell to my garden, knowing that its beauty will endure long after I am gone. For in the cycle of growth and renewal, my garden is a testament to the timeless power of nature's embrace, a sanctuary of serenity and splendor for all who seek solace amidst the chaos of the world. Join us at English Story Hub as we continue to explore the wonders of language and nature, one word at a time. Until next time, may your days be filled with the beauty and tranquility of the natural world.